Australia has some of the finest and freshest ingredients in the world, yet a lot of children still don't know what certain vegetables are or where their food actually comes from. Multi-award-winning chef Peter Shepherd, who runs one of Greater Sydney's finest family dining destinations, has stepped in to share his knowledge.
I love the teamwork, the camaraderie, and the dedication that goes into making great food.
It's this passion and creativity that I want to share with the younger generation.
Each episode, I'll be taking 2 local kids on a culinary adventure here in my chef's kitchen.
This is Foodie School.
Today we're going to make something called a chocolate fondant. Sounds fancy, doesn't it?
Yep.
That doesn't mean it's going to be hard to make though. So the first thing we've got to do is melt our chocolate. The easiest way to do this is going to be to put the whole bowl over a pot of steam, and the steam will melt it really gently from the bottom and stop it overcooking. One of the important things with pastry is that you weigh all of the ingredients out, just as well we weighed the chocolate, right? Open wide.
No.
Let me see your teeth.
No.
All right, whilst that's working, we're going to get on with our ice cream. So these are frozen bananas. I've had them in the freezer all day.
Oh, it looks like mushed up vomit. Disgusting.
So we're going to blend this up a little bit. So can you empty that into the bowl for me? And then we need to smash this. You're going to get this and whack it with the spoon. Hit it. Yeah, again, go on. And again. That's it, perfect. See how we've got big chunks in there? All right, we're giving this a little stir now. All the chocolate and the butter's melting together, making it really glossy. All right, that'll do. Okay, so we're going to finish off this ice cream. Cody, I'm going to get you to scoop out all of this yogurt and put it into here with our frozen bananas. Give that a really good stir. Throw it in, that's it. Mix it, mix it, mix it. Now we're going to make our puddings. All right, we're going to do 5 eggs. On the board. Your turn. Big crack on the bench.
Ew, yuck.
Off you go, you're the whisker. Now we need to add in this one.
It looks delicious. After, can we eat the bowl?
Did you want to lick the spoon? Not now. Although you got the really important job. You're going to have to tip all of this into your mouth. Yep. Keep stirring for me. Have you two had any big accidents? Are you accident prone at all? What have you done?
Make the taste cake like something else. Something very bad.
What was that?
Pumpkin.
Oh, it tasted like pumpkin.
Yeah, it's gross. It's gross.
What was it supposed to taste like?
A cake.
Oh. So when these cook, they're going to cook all around the outside, but the inside's going to stay all gooey and soft. We'll put these up on the plate. I'm going to take these off to the oven. They're going to take 8 minutes in the oven. While I'm putting these in the oven, maybe you guys can do a bit of cleaning up.
Yeah, I'll clean in this bowl. Yay.
So what we do is give them a little tap on the bench. And then, like that.
That makes no sense.
Awesome, great work. They look awesome. Here's our ice creams, just set. Big lumps of honeycomb in there. Gooey, there we go, on the side.
It's good.